Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to Verizon. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version, and your Apple Watch is running the most recent Watch OS. This ensures compatibility and a smooth setup process. You will also need your Verizon account information readily available, including your username and password, to complete the activation. Once your devices are updated, open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. From there, tap on the My Watch tab located at the bottom of the screen. Next, you will see an option for cellular. Select this to begin the activation process. The app will then guide you through a series of prompts to set up your cellular plan, making it straightforward to add your watch to your existing service. Apple Pay isn't just for in-store shopping. It's also incredibly convenient for online and in-app purchases. When you're checking out, simply look for the Apple Pay button. Tap it, and then review your billing, shipping, and contact information to ensure everything is correct. Finally, authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This secure method means your actual card numbers are never shared with the merchant, adding an extra layer of protection. After confirming your plan, allow a few minutes, typically 5 to 10 minutes, for the cellular service to fully activate on your Apple Watch. You will know it's active when you see a green cellular signal icon appear on your watch face. If you experience any difficulties or the service doesn't activate, do not hesitate to contact Verizon customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot any connection problems you might encounter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.